The ZANU-PF Youth League Harare Province leadership is reinforced concerns many members raised over Comrade Dr. Paul Tungwarara, presidential advisor's decision to reward Lutendo Benson Matinyarare with $200,000 cash and a Toyota Land Cruiser valued at $300,000. Zabina Mashkobran questions Youth League questions $500,000 reward to Lutendo Matinyarare. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Pangwa in Hoda Comchensi. Speaking at a meeting attended by Honorable Minister Tsloma Chakairi and Honorable John Baraza, the Youth League said the issue goes beyond the money and the vehicle. Their concern is the message and precedent it sets for the party. The youth questioned whether the objective was to stop Matinyarara's attacks on President mnangagwa, or if it instead rewarded someone who has repeatedly used his platform to undermine the president, loyal cadres, and party leadership. They expressed strong disapproval of rewarding individuals who publicly insult the president and leadership, noting the move has caused unease among young members. The Youth League's position is clear. Party resources must fund empowerment and development and reward loyalty, hard work, and commitment to ZANU-PF values. They are calling for corrective measures, arguing that actions perceived to reward attacks on the president and party risk sending the wrong signal. The concerns reflect a broader view that empowerment initiative and party resources must advance ZANU-PF party's interests, its leadership in Zimbabwe's development, while upholding loyalty, discipline, and unity. Puma developments are pangwa in a chaos after the ruling party. In a comment section, videos of Mura Elmot will be on subscribe or like, or join on the bell icon.